Hey everyone, it's Christina from Our Rich Journey. As part of our 365 Days to Fire program, our program members met up with us in Lisbon, Cascais, and they also attended our 2-day fire conference in Porto. In today's video, we're sharing with you what our meetup in Cascais looked like. We'll be meeting up again in Portugal for 2026 as part of our 365 Days to Fire program, and you should definitely join us. Learn more at 365daystofire.com, and we'll also leave a link in the description below.
It's so beautiful out here. You can't believe it. And I really thank Amon and Christina for doing this. I mean, you can see the effort that they put in doing everything. This place that I am at is just facing the sea, and I can see boats and lots of people. Oh, it's really nice, and there are really nice water sports going on. I just don't want to go on. I think I'll go on around 5 in the evening when it's a bit cooler.
Yes, it is our first time in the event. It's been amazing. The one at the beach is beautiful. The amount of people you meet, people in different parts of the program, different stages of the program, it's just amazing. So this is a very, very great event. Recommended for everybody. You guys have made it so easy for us to follow our finances, to get better educated when it comes to finance, to grow rich and live the life that we always wanted. So if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have been here. So thank you, Amon and Christina, for everything you've done for putting all this stuff together. So I can't say thank you enough.
Want to join us in 2026? Enrollment for our 365 Days to Fire program is now open. Learn more at 365daystofire.com. We'll also leave a link in the description below.